How's it going, traders? Robert H here. I'm going to recap two reversals I took today. First one's Etsy, second one's CVNA, which I have a recording of. I'm playing it on 32x speed for you on the right hand side. So let's talk Etsy. Now this thing came up, I'm not sure Norm brought it up. I think I saw it on the scanners as well. This thing was incredibly strong at the open. I really wish we had it on watch. It basically ran up $5 on a very, very nice trend trade. On the 2-minute chart, as you can see, nice flag formations on the way up, right? You want to see this. And on the 5-minute chart, this is a beautiful flag here. You take it on the breakout, or if you're a support trader, you buy it on the pullback to VWAP, and then off you go. So Norm brought it up to me, said, what do you think of Etsy? I said, I need more confirmation. Because at the time, the moving averages were just beginning to go horizontal. That's usually how these things go, right? They trend upwards, and then they start going horizontal to a point where they cross over, right? And when they cross over, that's usually one indicator. New 5-minute low is the second indicator. The third indicator is the new 15-minute low. So as you can see, I shorted it right there, a 60 hole number, which is a good level to, if it were to crack that. It cracked, and then every time it sold off 30 cents, it just kept getting bought back up like this. These wicks were huge. I was thinking to myself, what do I don't see something here. There's, I don't have moving averages here. What's happening? But Louis from the chat told me that it was a 10-minute chart, some sort of support there, which it held. I respected that, but it never came back to my break even, so I was in no rush to bail. I just kind of held on and then put some limit orders above the VWAP, just seeing how strong it was. This thing, it was up 10% at one point. So got some off there on a limit order, survived a pullback this way, got some more off here, and then I was, in my mind, I was like, okay, it's probably going to come back. It's just so strong. So I just bailed on this new 5-minute / 15-minute high. But as you can see from the chart, it consolidated for an hour, and then it just collapsed and it just dripped all day, gave everything back, right back to previous day close. I've never seen that before. From plus 10% to like basically break even on the day. So that, $5 left on the table, but I don't really consider it that. My trade was from here to the VWAP. This is a totally separate trade, and I don't consider that leaving money on the table whatsoever. So on to the second trade, CVNA. This is a reversal the other way. Is me in my recording just saying be right back because I'd taken a break. But basically, this is a similar thing that you guys have seen me do all the time. It sells off. I wait for a bottom to be put in, white spinning top, right? So I take it on the break of the body, new 5-minute high. And this thing, I didn't realize it was 28 million share float. That's rather low for my liking. I like my stuff 35 and above. It was really choppy, really spready at times, and just really cautious. I had my finger on the trigger, and I kept moving my limit orders downwards because, it didn't get the momentum I wanted to see it get, right? It basically, this is the reverse of what I just spoke about on Etsy here, right? Moving averages are trending down. The price is below the 8 here, right? It makes a move. This is where the reversal happens. It punches through, so the price gets above the moving averages, and then it starts riding the moving averages the other way. That's what you want to see, right? This is basically now support. Resistance has become support, right? So just fast forward this video. I'm scaling out as best as I could given the price action, using limit orders, and then we got to the VWAP and it kind of just gave up. Let's just pull up the live chart here. It got to the VWAP and then it gave up, keeled over, lost all the MAs here on the 2-minute chart, and then the 15-minute chart looked like a reverse ABCD, and I came back at the end of the day and lo and behold, it ran another $2. Again, that's not my trade. My trade was from here to here. I executed that as best as I could. And whatever happened after that, I should not have any regrets about because, as I said, I'm not leaving money on the table because I walked away. I stepped away from the game, right? So that's my recap. 2 reversals, one long, one short, basically mirror images of each other. Gives me twice the amount of setups to look for, twice the amount of patterns. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know if you have any questions or feedback in the comments down below. Have a great day, everybody.